The name Leschenaultia comes from the lake colour's resemblance to the blue Leschenaultia flower, and that flower was named after French botanist Jean-Baptiste Leschenault de la Tour in the early 1800s. Lake Leschenaultia, in the Shire of Mundaring, high in the Perth Hills, is a former railway dam for the Western Australian Government Railways. Constructed around 1897, it is now a recreational lake. It is the largest reservoir constructed on the Eastern Railway line and supplied water to steam trains for almost 50 years. Since 1949, it has been used as a recreational area, and many locals learned to swim at that lake, especially before the 1960s, when there were no public swimming pools available locally. The lake is a perfect spot for a family outing with cool shaded trees, lawns, white sandy beaches and playground equipment. This paid campground offers toilets, showers, swimming, barbecue facilities, stand-up paddle boards and canoeing, mountain bikes and pump tracks. Entry into Lake Leschenaultia is free and usually open every day of the year as follows. Monday to Friday, gates are open 8:30. On the weekends, gates are open at 8 o'clock in the morning. Gates close half an hour after sunset all year round. Please note that dogs and other pets are prohibited at the lake.
What?
Facilities include a cafe, kiosk, toilets, playground, barbecue, picnic areas, grassed area, campground with camp kitchen, walking and cycling trails. Lake Leschenaultia is a scenic 168 hectare bushland retreat, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to canoe on the tranquil waters, swim, cycle through picturesque trail, or just enjoy a relaxing barbecue with friends and family, this natural gem has something for everyone. The dam holds approximately 520 million litres of water. It is located off Rosedale Road in Chidlow, about 50 minutes from Perth CBD by car. The lake has a 12-kilometre mountain bike trail network, including 9 trails spanning 600 metres to 2.5 kilometres and ranging in difficulty from basic to intermediate. You can walk or cycle the 3 kilometres around the lake perimeter to view the range of native trees like marri and wandoo, together with an abundance of bird life, including ducks, geese, herons and swamp hens. Generally considered an easy route, it takes an average of 42 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for camping, hiking and mountain biking, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of the day. There is also a 4-kilometre cockatoo walk trail within the reserve. This trail gently winds through the forest to the north of the lake and is particularly attractive during the wildfowl season. The lake offers a number of attractions, including picnics and camping, physical activities such as bushwalking, canoeing and swimming, and views of native flora and fauna and birdwatching. Please refer to the Shire of Mundaring website for details on camping, or simply Google Lake Leschenaultia. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.